Hello, welcome to the PhoneWord Workshops event on Wednesday, December the 16th, 2015. This is part 2 of 2 for the December events. And today we were planning to do a session where we would create a droplet, install an instance of MultiChain on that droplet, and do some asset transfers. And we're going to postpone that for next month, for January the 13th, and that will be part 1 of 1. I apologize for the change of plans and look forward to showing you some interesting things next month. Before we move on, I would like to do a screen share and update you on something that's happened actually as of, I believe it was yesterday. This item was announced, which is an announcement by Homeland Security where they are offering basically grants for doing research using the blockchain. So if you missed this, you might want to Google Department of Homeland Security, calls for blockchain research, and I think it's a strong endorsement of the power of blockchain and some potential interesting use cases. So the other thing I would like to do before we wrap up this session is I wanted to give you an idea as to what the block count has been since our last month. So this is a screen share of a terminal window as well as the MultiChain developer instructions, and I'm simply going to get the information for chain 1. You can see this is MultiChain demo 1, and I've inputted MultiChain CLI chain 1 get info, and when I hit that, you can see we are now up to 175,299 blocks, and a block is being created every 15 seconds. If we go to, I'm going to switch over to chain 2, excuse me, not chain 2, but server 2. And if we get the info on this server, you can see it is also reflecting the 175,302 blocks. You can see that this is running alpha 10. And you can see the additional statistics that have occurred since last month. If I switch over to server 3, actually, and I do the same thing, this will give you an idea of the, okay, here's the get info command, and also showing basically the same thing, 175,305 blocks, and this is also running alpha 10. So here is the documentation for MultiChain. I recommend you check this out at multichain.com. Go to the developer section, and creating and connecting, you can simply follow along. And next month, we're going to step through this and go through a demonstration of exactly how this works. So thank you for tuning in. And let me switch back over to terminal. But let's see here. Bear with me. This is part of what is being ironed out. Some of the technical considerations for how to best present this. So, all right, again, my name is Jay Carpenter. You can find my contact information at PHONEWORDworkshops.com under the contact section. And next month, our workshop will be on, our first workshop, part 1 of 2 will be on January 13th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. I invite you to tune into that. And then we'll have on the 3rd Wednesday of the month, on January 20th, we will have part 2 of 2 starting at 5 p.m. Eastern. Now, in addition, I invite you to tune in to the PhoneWord Forum, which will happen on December 30th, 2015. That'll be a year-end summary, and that's a organization that's deals with policy and business models primarily. Also, if you're in the Arizona area, you can find information on the Desert Blockchain events at desertblockchain.com, and there will be a workshop, a hands-on workshop at Gangplank Chandler on December 30th, Wednesday, December 30th from 7 to 8:30 p.m. And then on January 30th, there will be a day-long event from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., the Desert Blockchain event, which will be a mini conference in the morning and then a team hack attack in the afternoon. So we will be live streaming that as well. So I invite you to tune into that at desertblockchain.com. So thank you for tuning in today, and I look forward to your continued participation. Have great holidays.